आप देख रहे हैं सन एजुकेशन चैनल यूट्यूब पर। देखिए और पढ़िए हमारे साथ।
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a soft purr sound. D is for dog running all around. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that jumps all day. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat you wear on your head and seat. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, wobbly and bold. K is for kite flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar. Oh my, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with birdies and leaves. O is for owl, woo woo at night. P is for penguin and snow so white. Oh my. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit hopping up and down. S is for sun shining bright and high. T is for train going choo choo by. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin with lovely refrains. W is for whale splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. I is for yo-yo, spinning so fast. Z is for zebra with stripes that last. Now we've sung the ABC. Clap your hands and dance with me. ABC, now you know. Next time sing it nice and slow. Let's learn more every day with fun and games. Hooray, hooray! Oh my!
हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।